How's everybody doing tonight? Well, just so everyone knows, just like Elijah, I too will not use the N-word tonight. Here or in the car. But when I get home, no, I was kidding. I kid. I too have an emotional support plan. It's called marijuana. You can use that because I'm really high and I'm gonna forget I said that. So. Valentine's Day. Is anyone here? I think they already asked. Is anyone here actually in a relationship, like for real? Not like married, but like. Never mind. Also married people. Give it up for Aunt Viv. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. You guys dating or married or what? Is this your first date? Thank God. Why would you come to a win and not get laid? Bring her to a comedy show. We're gonna rub off on you. I recently was broken up with. I'm over it though. Sometimes I do wish I was dead, but other than that, I'm doing okay. She was Italian/Puerto Rican, so her pronouns were extremely and angry. She talked a lot with her hands, but mostly in this motion. I never knew if I was going to get spiced or seasoned at any time. Oh, that's good. I have thought about dating trans women. Thank you. Yeah. I'm pretty progressive. Because when you get a trans woman, you get the best of both worlds, right? Right? You get big, fake tits. And someone that knows where they want to eat dinner. It's awesome. It's perfect. I couldn't do it though. And not because I'm homophobic, alright? Don't cancel me. I just smoke a lot of weed, and I'd forget. And during sex, I'd reach around and I'd probably grab it and be like, oh my God, I went all the way through. Couldn't be bad. Thank you. That's a hard one to do in a very woke college town, so I appreciate that. I can't wait for the emails. Tonight I'll be trending on Twitter. Thank you. Me and Joe Rogan. N-word trans joke. Can't wait. Is everyone from North Carolina in here? Alright, fuck you. Who's not from North Carolina? Same couple. Good God. Alright, nobody. We're outnumbered. Fuck. I am from North Carolina. I come from Fuquay Varina. Yeah! Fuck yeah! Dude, you're bigger than the Strokes. That's awesome. Does anyone know that band? Is that an okay joke? Alright, that's fine. Fuquay Varina, as the locals call it, fuckway vagina. Thank you. I grew up kind of a weird family. My mom was always crazy because she told me I look just like my dad, which is weird because I've never been invisible before. So that didn't make a lot of sense. I grew up with a mom and an older sister, and we grew up kind of poor, so I got all her hand-me-downs. Like, I'd go to school dressed like the girl T-Pain would sing about. I had the apple-bottom jeans and the boots with the fur. Everyone in gym class was looking at me. It's bad. I never had, like, really manly traits. So when my mom remarried, my stepdad was like, you ever get your tires rotated? And I was like, every time I fucking drive. If the car's in motion, I assume everything works. The lights are just cool to look at. I don't know what else. I put on quarantine fat. I feel like a lot of people blame COVID for getting fat, like they put COVID in McDoubles. Oh, I just had 2 COVID cheeseburgers. Now I'm fat. I'm out of shape. I got lazy. I got out of bed today and my Apple Watch went, congratulations. You fucking did it. Good job. Awesome. So you're from Fuquay. Where are the rest of you guys from?
I'm from Apex.
Oh, sick. I live in Apex now. Sick. And also her. And that's it. No one else lives there. No one else lives there. 2 people. The big good living. That's why. Because you can't get robbed by 2 people. Awesome. It's a pretty diverse crowd. It's pretty sick. Pretty woke here. Thanks for that. Makes me look a lot better. At the start of the show, we have to play a game called One of These Does Not Belong. It's me. One of these things is not like the other. Okay, no one sees color. That's awesome. Whoa, crowd. Thanks for putting me in on that. I appreciate that. So you're from Apex, where are you from? Where are you from? You just want to talk to me?
Nah.
Was it the trans joke?
Maybe.
Okay.
Too.
You're from with you? Why don't you rep our set, bro? FD, what's up? I can't do the Q, I don't know how to. Are you also from Fuquay but ashamed?
No.
Where are you from?
I was born in Chicago.
Okay, so you're from Chicago.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you witness a murder and you can't tell us? I'm from Chicago, but I don't know how to say it. So, what do you mean you're from Chicago, but you're not from
Where am
Chicago?
I from?
He's lived in Chicago, Atlanta, Virginia, San Diego, and then Mooresville, North Carolina, and now Atlanta again.
Just get passed around. Nice. Passed around. Military, or you just a wanderer?
No, my dad just doesn't know what he wants to do.
Mine did. He knew exactly what he wanted. Shit, we might have the same fucking dad. Who knows? Good lord. A couple way in the back for some reason. Where are you guys from? You said that already, right?
Yeah, he's from here. I'm from Providence, Rhode Island.
Oh, nice. Why? Why are you here? All North Carolinians ask that because we don't fucking want anyone else here. Traffic is bad enough. Did you think if you sat in the back, no one would pick on you?
No, I'd love to be picked on.
So you sat in the back? I know it's Black History Month, but no, I'm just kidding. That could have gone really bad. I wasn't going to take that one. So why are you here?
I want to be close with my niece.
Did you bring her?
Yeah, she's 2.5. She lives here.
Okay, so not that close. You didn't fucking bring her to the show.
No.
Okay. She could have saw comedians and saw what life was like and how disappointing it can be. It's taught her a real lesson. I want to ask where you guys are from, but I feel like I shouldn't. Oh, you're from Raleigh? Thank God. Oh. There's a bullet on that one. We're going to cut that off right there. Look, guys. This is something I want to do with my life. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you do enjoy what I do, after the show, I will be selling weed out of my car. So if you want to support me, I'll meet you down the street. Thank you. Thank you. I didn't know that. That was the most awkward thing ever. Give it up for Hunter Edwards, everybody!